Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Regar Australia. Today we are doing a discharge test on a lithium battery. This is a great test for checking the capacity of your lithium battery. I'm going to go ahead and switch the battery on. We've got it connected to a discharger machine that you can see on the right hand side there. We're going to turn the discharge machine on and we're going to discharge this 30 amp hour 51 volt battery. We're going to discharge it at 30 amps. So it's a 30 amp hour battery discharging at 30 amps. This test should take exactly 1 hour. So if the test takes less than an hour, it would indicate a problem with the battery. The test is unlikely to take longer than an hour because it's a 30 amp hour battery discharging at 30 amps. So if we've got that capacity out of the battery, that's what it's rated at. So we're setting it there to 30 amps. We're going to commence the test, and this would replicate a scenario where the battery is having 30 amps pulled from it continuously to drain the battery of its 30 amp hour capacity. So the amp hours refers to the amount of energy that is stored. So the more energy that is stored, the longer you can discharge the battery. So in a practical sense, that would mean that you can drive the golf cart for a longer period without having to charge the battery. The flip side is it would certainly take longer to charge as well, but with this discharge test, we're simply discharging this 30 amp hour battery at 30 amps to check the battery's capacity and confirm that it is indeed in good health. This is probably the primary way for checking the health of a lithium battery. If there was a scenario where this test was completed in, let's say, half an hour, that would suggest that 50% of the battery capacity is actually gone. So we've got the discharger running now at 30 amps. You can see that on the gauge screen right there on the bottom, 30 amps or 29.8 amps. So that's a constant load being pulled from that battery. So we're going to go ahead and leave this battery alone for about half an hour and revisit it. We should see around 50% at half an hour. So let's take a moment. Here we are, half an hour later. We've discharged just over 15 amp hours from the battery, which is at half an hour, which is exactly within spec. And there you can see 49% capacity remaining in the battery. So that is on track for a good result, but we're going to continue running the test. So here we've just run the test for an hour. We're getting an under voltage warning, which is not surprising given we're at 47 volts there. 29.9 amp hours still discharging. So there's still energy being pulled from this battery. There you go, just hit 30 amp hours. So that is what the battery is rated at. It should not discharge for much longer than this, because then it would actually be offering more capacity than the battery specifications suggest. Still discharging, but you can see the voltage coming down pretty dramatically there. 46.4 volts. It's a 51 volt battery, so it is very, very close to going flat. Okay, so we've discharged 30.89 amp hours from this Voltrac 30 amp hour battery. So that's actually performed above the rated specification of the battery. Now over time, with lots of charge and discharge cycles, that will come down, but that is well and truly within or above spec for the battery. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.